Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the files you want, and that Krita is responsive. Large PSDs need more RAM. Open File Open for single images or File Import as layer to place into an existing document. Once done, pick the correct color profile. Use sRGB for web and Adobe RGB for print, because color consistency prevents surprises later. Make sure to check file resolution and pixel dimensions before proceeding so you don't lose detail. You'll now position and adjust the imported image within your composition. Import as layer keeps the original file intact, then select the layer and use the transform tool, Ctrl+T to scale, rotate, or skew, hold Shift to preserve proportions. Once placed, use blending modes and opacity to integrate images. Multiply darkens, screen lightens. Also, add mask layers to hide parts non-destructively, and group related layers, so you can move or transform them together as needed. You're at the finish line. Tidy layers, apply masks, and decide whether to save a layered. Craw for edits or flatten for final output. Use file export to produce PNG for transparency or JPEG for smaller files. Set DPI for print and adjust quality to balance size and detail. Once exported, inspect the image. If colors or edges look wrong, make sure the document and export color profiles match and that no unintended scaling occurred. One quick fix: re-export with sRGB and correct DPI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.